Shaquille Rashun O'Neal, professionally known as Shaquille O'Neal, was born on 6th of March in 1972. Today he is celebrating his birthday of 52 years old. Happy birthday, Big Shaq. Shaquille O'Neal is a former professional basketball player who a sport analyst on the television program Inside the NBA. He is a 7-foot-inch, 2.16-meter, and 325-pound, 147 kg center who played for 6 teams over his 19 years career in National Basketball Association (NBA) and a 4-time NBA champion. O'Neal is regarded as one of the greatest basketball players and center of all time. After playing college basketball for LSU Tiger, O'Neal was drafted by Orlando Magic with the first overall pick in 1992 NBA draft. He quickly became one of the best centers in the league, winning Rookie of the Year in 1992 and leading his team to 1995 NBA Finals. After 4 years with the Magic, O'Neal signed as free agent with Los Angeles Lakers. They won 3 consecutive championships in 2000, 2001, and 2002. Amid feud between O'Neal and his teammate Kobe Bryant, O'Neal was traded to Miami Heat in 2004, and his 4 NBA champions followed in 2006. Midway through the 2007-2008 season, he was traded to the Phoenix Suns. After a season and a half with the Suns, O'Neal was traded to Cleveland Cavaliers in season 2009-2010. O'Neal played for Boston Celtics in season 2010-2011 before retiring. O'Neal's individual accolades included the 1999 Most Valuable Player MVP award, the 1992 NBA Rookie of the Year, 15 All-Star Game selection, 3 All-Star Game MVP awards, 3 Final MVP awards, 2 scoring titles, 14 All-NBA Team selection, and 3 NBA All-Defensive Team selection. He is one of only 3 players to win NBA MVP, All-Star Game MVP, and Final MVP award in the same year in 2000. The other 2 players are Willis Reed in 1970 and Michael Jordan in 1996 and 1998. Shaquille O'Neal is ranked on 8th of all time in points scored and 6th place in field goals and 15th in rebound and 8th in blocks. O'Neal was honored as one of the league's greatest players of all time by being named the NBA 15th anniversary team in 1996. Besides his successful career in basketball and in other business, he also acted in movies such as Blue Chips released in 1994, Kazam released in 1996, Good Burger released in 1997, Steel 1997, The Wash released in 2001, Freddy Goldfinger released in 2001, After the Sunset released in 2004, Scary Movie 4 released in 2006, and other many movies. His recent Uncle Drew released in 2018, What Men Want released in 2019, and Hobby Halloween released in 2020. Wishing happy birthday to Shaquille O'Neal. Thank you for watching. Have a nice moment. Remember to like and subscribe.